United Capital also released these numbers, and their revenue was up 35% to 58.5 billion. Amazing, outstanding result. I mean, these guys just know how to churn out numbers. And interesting, I've been opportune to be, in their retreats a couple of times, and you can imagine how sound their team is. They have a very, very sound team who, essentially know how to manage their assets and sweat it very well. Solid guys there. So operating profit also up 43% to 39.3 billion, and then profit after tax 28.1 billion, up 17%. Earnings per share 1.56 kobo versus 1.34 kobo. And so what was the major driver for the numbers? Of course, it was fee commission income, and that jumped 23.3 billion, suggesting that they had a lot of deals. There was a lot of business across their asset management company, asset management divisions or asset management subsidiary, their advisory business and their brokerage service business all did pretty well during the year. So total assets for United Capital 1.76 trillion. Shareholders funds 149.9 billion, while they manage funds of almost 1 trillion naira. Wow, that is such a solid business right there. And what I like about the numbers is that their board did approve a dividend of 70 kobo per share. If you add that to the interim dividend they had earlier in the year, I think it was 30 kobo. That's probably like 1 naira per share in dividends. So share price currently trading at 18.9 naira per share, slightly down, and just about 1.3% year to date. This is one stock that I'm going to be paying attention. I used to have United Capital shares, but I mean, it's one of the stocks that I own that I made some good money on, and I sold, but might be a good time to look at it again.